How to manage the Magefan POS system in Magento 2. To add a product to your cart, click on it, choose the size, color, and click the Add to Cart button. Unfold the right bottom menu and click on the plus icon to apply a discount. Then enter the discount code and click Save. Click on a product, then choose the size and color. You'll see the warehouse icon. Click on it to check product quantity in a warehouse. To change the product quantity in cart, click on the product image, then change the quantity and click Update. To set the custom price for a product in cart, click on the product price, then set the custom price and click Save. To create a custom product, click on the cart icon near the top search bar. Then set a name, price, and quantity you want to add to cart, and click on the Add to Cart button. Once you add a product to the cart, you can hold it by clicking a corresponding button on the right bottom menu. Then, you can come back to any cart and continue with the order. Click on the guest label at the top right menu and start typing a customer's name. Then, click on the customer. Once you complete the order, it will be visible in the customer's account. Click on the customer icon at the top right corner of the shopping cart panel and start creating a new customer. Enter the first and last name, email, and click on the Create an Account button. When you go to checkout, you can choose any from a variety of payment methods. In particular, Stripe payments, cash, offline terminal, or other offline payment. Simply choose a payment method and click on the Place Order button. Then you can print receipts by clicking a corresponding button. To create refunds, go to the left flyout menu and click on Sales. Then choose the order you want to refund, press the Credit Memo button, and then Refund Offline to create a refund in the POS. To restock the inventory, go to the left flyout menu and click on Inventory. Then find a product you want to restock. Choose the size and color. Then click on the Update Source Quantity button. Set how many products you add to stock and click Update. Choose a POS system with easy-to-navigate interface, streamlined checkout process, simple Magento integration. Choose Magefan, e-commerce solutions you can trust.